Filming.
Hey, hey.
Oh, hi.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Show me diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
Hello. So today we are making or attempting to make a Christmas cake. We tried this last year and we made Easter bun instead. But
Christmas bun.
yeah, Christmas bun. But we're going to get it this time. Right? Hello?
You're right.
So guys, yeah, let me just, can I start the vlog here? Let's start the vlog here. So we're just gonna pretend that the vlog starts here, okay? Because I didn't do a proper introduction because I was just living in the moment. So yesterday I came to Portland. Yesterday was Christmas. I was literally traveling from 1:30 to 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is curfew. That's how long it took me to get from Kingston to Port Antonio, because we had to go through Ochiris and then we had to stop at all the other different Knutsfords to let off people, etc, etc. I'm out of breath. Anyways, I am home with my father. We spent Christmas together and I had my nice Christmas dinner last night, and this morning we decided to bake a cake, which is the next clip that you're going to see. Well, next bits and pieces of clips, because we didn't get to set up properly, because I mean we're focusing on trying to get the cake right and focusing on the camera being set up properly, plus me not wanting to show certain parts of my house, because that's just me. Like, I'm not gonna show my whole house, and yeah, that's just, yeah, no. So yeah, you're gonna see bits and pieces of that. It's been a little bit over an hour and I think the cake is done. I, you know, stuck the knife in it and it came out clean, so I believe the cake is finished. But yeah, gonna show you that part now, and then after that part we're gonna come back and you're gonna see the finished result of the cake. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Peace. I feel like a handicap. Sure, I don't need more?
Probably.
Nah.
Let's do some more.
Butter. We're adding more flour because our mixture is a little bit too watery. Now to clean up all of this before it gets too late and we all get lazy. So we're going to do that now. Alrighty people, here's the final
Touch.
Ah, okay. Let's see when it comes out, or when we cut it, to see if it actually tastes like a Christmas cake.
That won't cut today though.
Oh, okay. Kinda looks like chocolate cake if you ask me. But now we're going to spray it with rum and Red Label while it's hot, so it can soak that in, and then you'll see it when it's finished. Bye. All right, so this is the finished result. I mean, it's flipped over, but let's see what this tastes like. Here's my little piece right there. So, dun, dun, dun. What? Well, soft man. All right, let's see. Well, doesn't taste like Christmas cake, but it doesn't taste bad. It tastes like normal cake, but with fruit cake flavor. I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes fine. It's better than last year when we made Easter buns. So, you know, next year we will get it 100% perfect. So that's it. Thanks for joining. Bye. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday and I'm still in Portland, but I need to go get my nails done because they are, yeah, they're crusty. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not even gonna show them my toe because them they cranny bad. So I'm going to head on the road, get my nails done. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning now. And yeah, I might vlog on my phone for the rest of this vlog because my battery's dead and I didn't charge it. And I actually didn't even plan to vlog, but why not? At least I'd rather have content that I don't use rather than not have content and then not have nothing for post, you get me? So yeah, fresh face and all. Janos want taxi. Hi. Alright. So Mr. Taxi, gotta go. Happy New Year! It's 2021. We're starting the vlog here because one, focus. Starting here because, you know, COVID is still a thing. First of all, now that I'm alone, I can say that this vlog is a little bit all over the place because I did not start vlogging when I just got here, but y'all are gonna understand. So when I just put the pieces together, just don't pay me no mind. Right? Right. Hello. Good morning. Happy New Year. It's 2021 and I am at a hotel. So we are in New Year's Eve. Anyways, my hair is a mess. I had on my wig, but I'm going to comb it now. And yeah, after myself, I'll give you guys a tour. I'm gonna get one little fade, you know, nothing too major. Some light. Thank you, Daquan, appreciate it. So yeah, I'm going to put you one side and you watch me work my magic. I hate these products. I feel like there's a white cast in my hair. And if when it dry, I'm gonna realize the white stuff is still in it, I'm washing it out and putting on back my wig because man, I like that. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I'm never using hot jockeys again. So our breakfast just came. Of course, we put it on the bed. So we have our Jamaican style breakfast. What is this? This look like saltfish and something. I don't know. Callaloo. I don't know. Some yaman something. I don't know. Then over here we have a fruit plate. Then over here we have some scrambled eggs and sausages. Here's some more fruits. Here is some pancakes and maple syrup. Not ready to eat this yet. Don't want this to get extremely cold. So just gonna eat that right now. Yeah, so we just ate breakfast and all that good stuff. And I found a scale in the bathroom. Oh, hey, that's me. Anyways, I found a scale in the bathroom. So I decided, why not see how much I weigh? Because normally I'm like 96, 98. I can barely make it to 100. So let's see what's happening for me. Because over the Christmas, Daddy fed me very well. Like, very, very well. So, yeah. The moment of truth. Oh! Y'all see that? Ah! Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I'm 103 pounds. I'm 103 pounds. I'm 103 pounds. I'm 103 pounds. I'm 100 and dum 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 I'm 103 pounds. I'm a thick bitch. Thick bitch. Period. Bitch. Gorbet, Gorbet. I fit him up and just like that. You like pop, you want that. Dum dum dum. Dum dum. I'm a are going kayaking, so this should be fun. On to the next activity, huh? Oh, you're still going? Oh, hi, and welcome to my crib. Come on. So when you first walk in, there's the mirror right there. Hi, that's me. Under here, we got a fridge that's not really stocked with much. We just have water and Coke and stuff that don't matter. And we have a TV, and some other fun angles. Over there's a nice little couch that you sit on and other stuff. Anyways, now the bathroom. That's what that looks like, the shower. Moving on. Follow me, huh? Y'all see all of this? And then here, I came in the bathroom and I saw this kit. And inside they got lotion and soap and more lotion and hand sanitizer and the razor kit that I already used because I needed to shave. They have a sewing kit. I'm sewing at least. Oh, convenient. Anyway, moving along. We also even got a blow dryer. I think that's cool. And that's pretty much it. In here is the toilet And this is where the journey ends, because I need to take a shit. Bye! Guys, I am such a terrible vlogger. But alright, I'm not normally a terrible vlogger. Where's the sun? But I will say that this vacation, I couldn't vlog much because I was just trying to enjoy it. Honestly, this one, I just couldn't. I really was just trying to make the most of it, and that is what I'm doing. Look at this. How can I keep vlogging when I'm just trying so much to enjoy this right now? Like, but in my clothes, in the water. If you know me, I don't really like the outdoors. Man, I like grass. Man, I like nothing. Man, I like hot club. But this is just so nice. Like, the water is warm, the sun is hot. It's just nice. And this is my last day. Like, we're supposed to be leaving in like half an hour, and I'm just trying to enjoy the rest of it. It is the second day of the year. It is January. I was in somebody's picture, my bad. So yeah, it is the second day of January. Where's the sun? Yeah, second day of January, and I have to get back to reality. And